Hello YouTube, Homestead Handyman here. Well, got Mom and Dad's house all finished. It took us about 6 weeks to do it, but everything is done and they're fixing to move in here shortly. So let's go through and have a look. So here's the garage, and what we did was we painted the entire garage because it was looking really bad. Put up a shade over here to keep the sun out. The lighting is now all LED, the two lights. We put LED throughout. Got Dad a little area over here to have a man space. And that's just temporary right here. But this is a workbench that I built him. Picked up a picnic table that Lowe's was closing out for $10 and was usually $100 and something. And I took it all apart and just used the lumber and got him a nice workbench. A while back, I found this vise by the side of the road, and so I painted it up and then cleaned it up and made it nice. So now he's ready to go. Got his own man space. All right. Got a little shelving unit over here. Back in here, we have the laundry room. Mom's going to have a nice, bright laundry room here. There is the dryer, new dryer. It's looking good in here. LED light bulbs up here. And then we have a washing machine. And of course, you will notice a theme, and that theme is blue as we go through the house. The entire house is blue. So we painted the walls, the trim, everything. So we're starting this entryway here through the back. We got the hallways and everything. Out here on the deck, it was the end of the year clearance, and we were able to pick this up here for a very, very cheap price because they were closing out. And it's a really nice set, so they'll have a little place to sit outside. All the closets have been painted inside. And that was a job. We've got another closet in here that Mom's going to use as a sewing room, blue. Then we take a look at the kitchen. Now what we've done in here is we ripped down the ceiling fan. Well, didn't really rip it down. It fell out of the ceiling. And so we got a nice LED light up here. It was very dark in the kitchen, and so I put under cabinet lighting in all the way around. We took the cabinet hinges and knobs that were old and tired and replaced them all throughout with that chrome stainless, what would you call that?
Brushed nickel.
Brushed nickel to match everything else in here. That's like that. Over here is where the dining area is. Blue. See the theme going? Ripped down the old junky light fixture put up a new one, and it is LED. All right, now we move off into here. This is the living room. Got an awesome fireplace, gas powered here. That's an old one, cast iron, and it works great. So they'll be toasty all winter and not have to run the electric. And if we have a power outage, they still have heat without the work. So here you can see everything looks lovely. Also, the switches were junk. I had to take one apart because I had paint all on it, and ended up that it just fell apart in my hand. So had to go and replace all the switches. Replace all the doorknobs throughout and locks. And the floors cleaned up really nice. The place was just in a coating of disgusting dirt from cats and from a person who did not clean. Are you having fun yet?
No.
Why not?
Because this place is really disgusting. It's like, this is my best friend, greased lightning. There's layers of grease and grime and nicotine everywhere. So I'm trying to clean everything as best as I can.
And what about, was there any animals in here?
Yeah, there was cats, and there was bad because the cat like sprayed on everything and fur is everywhere and it rubbed on everything, so everything's got this layer of grime from the cat, and I won't go into what's in the bathroom.
So you're cleaning from the ceiling down to the floor,
Yes.
every square inch of this house.
Every square inch. And my shoulder is killing me from all the rubbing and scrubbing, and I've gone through tons of paper towels and cleaners, and it's gross. Whoever lived here was a real pig. Real pig. But that's why no one bought it. And that's why we bought it, because we're fixing it.
So we're gluttons for punishment.
Yeah.
All right, say hello to Arth and Joan.
Hi, Arth and Joan. Mom and Dad. We're working hard for you.
Love you.
Love you.
Bye.
Bye.
House, as my wife has reminded me time after time after time. Correct?
Correct.
Was it dirty?
She was a pig.
Oh. All right. Okay, back to the tour. So the light fixtures in here were all like a brassy looking, disgusting. Took them all down and saved some money there and painted them with a brushed nickel paint, and they cleaned up good. We put smoke detectors in the entire house because there was one and it wasn't working up in here, and so that's all done. The bathrooms are just bright and dried up. New light fixture, new mirror, cleaned up the sinks, caulked, painted everything. New toilet, new shower heads, new rods, and waiting for, it just has something that they can use to start with, and then Mom will put her touch in there. Had no towel racks in here, put new towel racks in to hang all your stuff. Got a lot of closets in here. Oh, there you go. There's the important stuff you gotta have. Blue closet, of course. So this all turned out very nice. Oh yeah, I forgot. Let's go back in the kitchen for a second. I'll just go back here real quick. Go backwards. All right, well look, that's the other thing we did. There was some old brass junky thing there that was falling apart. So we have a nice fixture right here. Had to redo all the plumbing underneath because it was all jammed up and falling apart. All right, let's go back to over here. All right, so we were, well, let's see, where are we? Oh, we're leaving the bathroom. Now you come over here. Here's the first bedroom. Had a fan that we had it on when we were trying to paint, and the thing was rocking and rolling, about to fall out of the ceiling, and so I have it nicely replaced with LED lights and a nice fan that really moves some air, and it makes it light and bright in here. All new carpet. Other stuff is gone, ripped out, and all the light switches, like I said, and everything. Trim's all painted. This door over here had been a kid's room, I guess, and they kicked it in at one point, so the hinges were sprung. It was just a lot of nonsense there. So that's all fixed. New thermostat and heating and cooling, air conditioning system in the basement, in the crawl space, and a lot of work down there was done. And then you have this bedroom here, looking great. New blinds were necessary. Closet, there you go, blue, you guessed it. Then we come around here. Nice new, the closet in here. Guess what color? Blue. How'd you know that? Done. Moving on, this is the master, and this is blue also. New fans, new carpet, walls all done, new blinds. Oh, there's the decking out there. The bathroom was a wreck, all fixed up, looking good. Tore down the vanity, well, it was falling off the wall and it was a hunk of junk, the vanity that was right there, and put it in a proper place. We got a nice little one here, new light fixture, which drove me crazy because it was not centered over. It was over to the left. As a matter of fact, if you look closely, you could see the mark there, and it was over 6 inches to the left, so when you looked in here, I couldn't handle it. Everything in here, new shower head, a bar to help them, got towels. There was no towel racks in this room. There's a new commode there, toilet. Let's see what else we got. Everything clean from top to bottom. There was no shade there. And we have this lovely one here now to keep that Carolina sun from beating in here. The closet, all redone. Look at that. Woo! LED. I'll tell you, those LED lights are just amazing. And so that pretty much concludes inside. We also went and did a lot of work outside as far as mulching and shrub cleaning up and drains on the gutters and cleaning all the windows. So we're happy. What's that?
Hedge trimming.
Oh, hedge trimming. Yeah, I forgot that because I didn't do it. Nice job, Caroline. Okay, so that's it. Just wanted to show you all how it all turned out here, and we look forward to them coming. Oh, look at those nice cushions right there. See that? We hit from those chairs. This is where we've been having our lunch at every day, and Mom's gonna love those. Carolyn found them over at the Lowe's there on the closeout rack, and they just look lovely. All right, well, we'll go take a quick look at the outside. Okay, so we cleaned up all the beds outside, trimmed all the bushes, need a little bit more touching up, cleaned all the windows. We mulched the beds all the way around. That was quite a bit of work, getting all the weeds and everything out. All these bushes have been trimmed up. Nice mulching in here and everything. Here's the shrubs. We had to replace these covers that go, that black cover that goes around there, and you see the gravel down in there. Had to replace those because the other ones were not working. Have a look around here. So everything is nice and tidied up. Now we got the hurricane coming here. This here was a mess, and there was no drainage or anything. It was just washing everything away. So we found the rocks and built this here because we got 2 drains coming off the roof, and they just kind of converge in here. Dug a ditch, put rocks in there, and a catcher underneath there. So that is all done. So now everything is looking sharp, and we're looking forward to their arrival to their new house. So that is very cool and exciting. Well, thanks for watching and following along. Well, hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you like my content, and give me the old thumbs up. This is the Homestead Handyman, out.